Welcome back. Today we are study the 6th Maths chapter number 2 Angles practice set 2. Today we solve practice set 2. First question is match the following. Here we have given measure of the angle and their types of angle. So you have to identify their types. The first is 180 degree angle. 180 degree angles means that is the straight angle. So you have to write down the answer B. Second is 240 degree angle. Which is this angle? So this is the reflex angle. So you have to write down here C. Third is 360 degrees angle. 360 degree angle means that is the complete angle. So you have to write down here D. Fourth is 0 degree, which is that is 0 angle. So you have to write down here A. Let's see question number 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Here we have given measure of the angle and you have to write down their types. So first is 75 degree. This is the acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. Second is 0 degree. This is the 0 angle. Third is 215 degree. This angle is greater than 180 degree. That is reflex angle. Fourth is 360 degree. This is the complete angle. Fifth is 180 degree angle. This is straight angle. Sixth is 120 degree. This is obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree. Seventh is 148 degree. This is also obtuse angle. Eighth is 90 degree. That is right angle. Question number 3. Observe the figures given below and write the types of each of the angles. See the figure A. This is the acute angle. See the figure B. This is the right angle. See the figure C. This is the reflex angle. See the figure D. This is the straight angle. See the figure E. This is the 0 angle. See the figure F. This is the complete angle. Question number 4. Use a protractor to draw an acute angle, a right angle and an obtuse angle. First, you have to draw an arrow. This is the origin and put the arrow. Then take a protractor and put the middle point at the origin of the arrow. The acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degree. You have to take any angle of your choice. So I have take 60 degree angle. And join the points . Write here 60 degree and give the name angle A, B and C. Let's draw a right angle. First, you have to draw an arrow. This is the origin of the arrow. So I have dark it. Then put the middle point of the protector to the middle point origin of the arrow. You have know that the right angle is a 90 degree. So keep the point here and draw a line. P, Q, R. This is the right angle. Let's draw obtuse angle. You have to draw the arrow. Use the protector and put the middle point of the protector to the origin of the arrow. The line will be same. Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree. So I have take 120 degree angle. Take any angle of your choice and join the origin of the origin point and the 120 degree angle. This is 120 degree angle and give the name L, M and N. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to share, subscribe and like.